Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to create a custom filter on Samsung Galaxy S20 Exynos. So first, go into the camera app. Now select the photo and right here the filters. Here you can add a filter, you can download filter or create your own. Now we need to select a picture to use as a filter. So for example, I take one more time here, plus create filter. Now select it is an unsupported file. Okay, we just needed to wait for it to fully load. Now it is working and you can here create a filter. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.